Hi everyone. Last year I did a review on a yoga mat and yoga block that I bought from Five Below, and they were not good. They fell apart. Well, the mat fell apart. The block was just really light and flimsy feeling. So now that it's December and January is coming up, and I know that everybody's got those fitness goals that they're going to want to get a jump on, I thought I would see if the yoga mat has improved since I bought it last year from Five Below. So I went and bought a new one. And this time it was $7 instead of the $5. I did Pilates and yoga. Pilates on the mat was fine, nothing unraveled. And then I did yoga. And there it is. Here's the first part. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put a picture up so you can see it a little closer. On this end, and the same thing happened on the bottom end as I unroll here. Let's see. There's some spots. This was from both of these were from Warrior One. The part where you can really see a lot of it started just from the first time doing yoga. This was from my front foot where the heel is, so there was a little bit more of the foot in contact on the mat. And this part down here, oh my gosh, so organized. Down here was from the ball of my foot because I have my heel up in Warrior One. I would not recommend it. Quality hasn't changed. I will say when I was doing mat Pilates on it, I could feel the hard floor. So it's really thin, as you can see, and it's not cushioned. So I do not recommend this. It looks like it has not changed, except for the price has gone up. The yoga block, which I took a picture of because I did not buy a new one, because when I picked it up, I could tell that the quality had not changed. It's still light and thin and very not substantial feeling. So it was the same feeling that I have from the block that I bought last year. I hope this helps. And I think you can find better mats without breaking the bank on Amazon or Walmart even. So yeah, don't worry about buying from yoga mats from Five Below. And I will see you next time. Bye.